Hi everyone, my name is Emma. I'm so excited to share the success of my first year growing onion from sets. I tried growing onions from seeds in the past and it was a flop. This is a very exciting result for me. I hope you will watch to the end and share the excitement with me. If you have watched my other videos, you would have noticed I use the same method I use here to make a straight row because I cannot make a straight line without a guide, and I like to have everything grow as straight as possible. With a hand hoe, I ran it underneath the string to make a shallow trench about 1 to 2 inches deep. The reason they're various sizes because onions come in different sizes. These onions will fall at a garden center not too far from where I live. For a pound of red and yellow onions combined, I got a little over 200 sets, so I'm really happy to get that much. I definitely did not expect to get that many onion sets from just a pound. A lot of these onion sets were ready to be in the ground. As you saw, they already sprouted, some start growing roots, so I'm really happy they already have a head start. They can be planted without having to worry about frost damage since they are second year onions. They might bolt and go to seed because onions generally go to seed in their second year. Onion sets can be planted anywhere from 2 to 4 inches apart. If they are planted closer to each other, then they definitely will need thinning later for room to grow onion bulbs underneath the soil. The rows should be at least 12 inches apart and the soil cover should be no more than 1 inch. For the sets that already sprouted, make sure that part is poking out of the ground. Generally, I would water the row right before planting and after I cover up the seeds, but since we had a lot of rain and the soil is really wet, so I didn't water before or after covering up the seeds. Onions love sun, so wherever you choose to plant them, make sure that it's sunny and not shaded by other plants. Once planted, onions typically will be ready for harvest after 3 to 4 months and will show signs that they are ending. So I might be replanting onions again to harvest later in the fall because we have mild winters, so they probably can overwinter a little bit in the ground. I think they look pretty good, especially at this end. Let's see. Not sure what is going on this right here. They're in the spot where they get a lot of sun and yet they stay little. A volunteer carrot. Okay, that isn't it beautiful? Here is an interesting fact about onions that you may already know. Did you know that they are natural pest repellents and are not as prone to pests as many other plants? To tell when your onions is ready is when the neck fallen over like this and the neck is soft. So I guess we're gonna pull this one up. Oh my word. Okay. Probably gonna be a small one. Yep, it is. So it did not get too big right here. And here is another one that topple over. Okay, this is a little bit bigger one. So I don't know why they're done growing, but there's like baby onion. So this one is like gone. So I don't know if this variety is just small or what, or just because, yeah. So, yeah, you see how soft it is? I mean, when they fall over like this, you don't have to like harvest them right away. You just have a window of a few weeks to get them out of the ground. But you don't want them to sit in the ground too long, they will rotten. So here is a small harvest, a very small one. They're tiny, they're so cute though. So we definitely are going to enjoy this. I would really appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next time, you have a good day.